Here's a little later model Cadillac, just in at Unique, Specialty, and Classics. This one here is a 2015 Cadillac ATS 4. The ATS would have been Cadillac's luxury sport model, kind of an entry range car. Became very popular when it was first introduced. This particular one is in black diamond tri-coat. Like I said, it is the ATS 4, so this would be an all-wheel drive vehicle also. Powered by the 3.6 liter V6 underneath the hood. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, you can check out that engine bay, the interior underside of this car. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com, or down below this video there's a link. You can click on that. That's going to take you right to our website listing of this car. Feel free to call us too if you'd like to inquire about it. 507-386-1726. This car has a little over 40,000 miles on it. Paint's in nice shape, of course, with black and, being driven 40,000 miles. You're going to get a few kind of little nicks, rock chips, what have you. They've been touched up there, so I mean, it's nice shape, well taken care of. And then I wanted to point out too, there's a few spots on the wheels. If you take a look at the wheel pictures, there is a little bit, there you can see it, a little bit of curb rash on some of these. That is a Cadillac brand wheel though. Looks great on this car. The interior on this is actually the Kona brown leather interior. It does have the performance sport bucket seats also. Transmission that's paired with that 3.6 liter is a 6-speed shiftable automatic. So a fun car to drive, still sporty. Nice looking car. Now, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car transported to where you're located at. Of course, it may be eligible for an extended warranty, so consult your sales associate when you call in or email us. Come around to the rear, see the dual exhaust, kind of almost a center dump style. Once again, 2015 Cadillac ATS 4. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video, click on the link. It's going to take you right to the website listing of this. And we can be reached at 507-386-1726. It says Bridgestone tires on it. Tread, plenty of wear left in these tires. Rubber's good on it, but like I said, check out those still pictures and you're going to see a few little spots where there was a little curb rash on some of them. Not terrible, but there's a little spot too. Just want to make you aware of it. All right, of course, as far as Cadillac, you have a ton of the accessories and stuff on this. I'll go through a little bit of it. Of course, you got your typical windows, locks, power mirrors. It does have the Bose audio system to it. Memory seating. AWD, otherwise known as heads-up display system on this one. All the steering wheel controls to it. There's your shiftable automatic. Performance sport bucket seats and that Kona brown leather seat trim like I mentioned. Obviously power seats both sides also. I believe this would be considered the Cadillac user experience, otherwise known as Q, with that 8-inch touch screen on the center console there. And again, a little over 40,000 miles on this one. Let's go ahead, fire this one up. There you can see the miles, 44,712. No check engine lights, any warning indicators, anything like that on. Touch screen, everything working correctly as it should. It also has a power sunroof or moonroof, whichever you prefer. Of course, OnStar system. Very quiet, luxurious running car. Slip around to the back. No crazy rumbles like some of the old Cadillacs we have here. Just a smooth running, nice quiet exhaust. Car actually has 321 horse, 275 foot-pounds of torque. nice and smooth that is. So there you go, 2015 Cadillac ATS 4, which is an all-wheel drive, two-door coupe. A little over 40,000 miles on it. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com, where you can find it on our website. Down below this video, there's also a link. Click on that. It's going to take you right there. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended warranty. Ask your sales associate when inquiring on the car. Look forward to hearing from you.